Did you know that some of the everyday habits we barely think about are silently damaging our eyes? Studies show that over 60% of people experience eye strain from excessive screen time, which can lead to nearsightedness, myopia, and other long-term issues. We might not notice the damage right away, but these bad habits slowly add up. I bet most of us are guilty of at least one mistake that affects our eye health, whether it's staring at screens too long, skipping eye exercises, or ignoring simple eye health tips. And guess what? It's not just about screen time. Poor diet, lack of sunlight, or avoiding regular eye checkups all contribute to vision decline as we age. You might feel like your vision is fine now, but without proper care, you could be setting yourself up for issues like myopia or even worse. But don't worry, because today I'll break down 9 habits that damage your eyes and reveal secrets to restoring your vision naturally. Plus, I'll share some medical solutions for those who need a little extra help. Let's start with the most obvious one, screen time. Whether it's scrolling on your phone, working on a laptop, or binge-watching shows, most of us spend hours in front of screens. And I get it, life happens. But here's the problem. Spending too much time staring at screens can cause digital eye strain. You know, that burning feeling in your eyes, headaches, maybe even blurry vision? Well, long-term, it can lead to even bigger issues like myopia, nearsightedness. The more we rely on screens, the more we're straining our eyes. And trust me, this can add up over the years. Skipping eye exercises. Now, I know this might sound a bit unusual, but just like our bodies need exercise, so do our eyes. If you're not doing regular eye exercises, your eye muscles become weaker, and over time it gets harder to focus on objects. Especially as we age, skipping these exercises can lead to more serious vision problems. These exercises are super easy to do, and I'll share a few you can start right away in a bit. Not protecting your eyes from UV rays. Here's something we don't think about enough. Sunlight. Now, don't get me wrong. Sunlight is important for our health, but direct exposure without protection is harmful. The ultraviolet UV rays from the sun can cause long-term damage to your retina and increase your risk of cataracts. So, if you're out and about without sunglasses, you might be unknowingly harming your vision. A simple habit like wearing sunglasses with UV protection can make all the difference. Poor diet choices. We all know the saying, you are what you eat, and this couldn't be more true when it comes to your vision. A diet that's low in essential nutrients like vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants can have a serious impact on your eye health. For example, omega-3s help keep your eyes moisturized and reduce dryness, while vitamin A is crucial for preventing night blindness. If you're not eating enough fruits, veggies, and healthy fats, your eyes are missing out on key nutrients. Rubbing your eyes frequently. This one's so easy to do without even realizing it. Rubbing your eyes when they're itchy or tired. But here's the problem. Rubbing your eyes too often can break the tiny blood vessels under your skin, introduce bacteria, and even scratch your cornea. It may feel good in the moment, but long-term, it can do more harm than good. Next time your eyes feel irritated, try using a cool compress or some eye drops instead. Over-reliance on glasses or contacts. Now, this might surprise you, but wearing glasses or contacts all the time without taking breaks can actually weaken your eye muscles over time. Glasses and contacts are a great solution for vision correction, but they don't do much to strengthen your eyes naturally. If you rely too much on them without doing anything to help your eyes, like eye exercises or improving your diet, it could make things worse in the long run. The key is balance. Yes, use your glasses, but also give your eyes the opportunity to work a little bit on their own too. Lack of regular eye checkups. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you had your eyes checked? If you can't remember, it's probably been too long. Skipping regular eye checkups is a mistake that many people make, especially as they age. Regular checkups help catch conditions like glaucoma, macular degeneration, or even cataracts early before they become serious. Prevention is always better than cure, so make it a habit to get your eyes checked at least once a year. Poor lighting conditions. Ever find yourself squinting when reading in dim light or staring at your phone in a dark room? Yeah, we've all done it. But doing this too often can cause unnecessary strain on your eyes. Poor lighting forces your eyes to work harder, leading to fatigue, headaches, and blurred vision. Make sure you have proper lighting when working, reading, or using screens to reduce strain and keep your vision healthy. Not wearing protective eyewear. If you're doing any work that involves dust, chemicals, or even sports, not wearing protective eyewear is a huge mistake. It might seem unnecessary at times, but one accidental hit or exposure can cause serious damage to your eyes. Whether it's for your job or just mowing the lawn, wearing protective glasses can prevent injuries that might otherwise have lifelong effects on your vision. Okay, now that we've covered the 9 most common mistakes that could be damaging your eyes, let's talk about solutions. Feel free to add more of this eye-damaging habits in the comment. If you've found yourself guilty of any of these habits, don't worry. There are natural ways to restore your vision. And if those don't work, we've also got some medical options that can help. So, let's get into the good stuff. How to improve your eyesight and keep your eyes healthy for years to come. Now, let's talk about how you can improve your eyesight naturally. These simple steps can make a big difference if you stick with them. Whether you've just noticed some eye strain or want to prevent further damage, these tips are easy to follow and super effective. Eye exercises. First up, eye exercises. Just like your body needs exercise, so do your eyes. A great way to start is by using the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This gives your eye muscles a break, especially after staring at screens for long periods. Another exercise is to practice shifting focus between near and far objects, which helps strengthen your eye muscles and improves focus over time. Proper nutrition. You are what you eat, and your eyes need the right nutrients to stay healthy. Foods rich in vitamin A, like carrots and leafy greens, and omega-3 fatty acids, like fish and flax seeds, are great for eye health. These nutrients help protect your eyes from macular degeneration and reduce dry eye symptoms. So, stock up on those healthy veggies and fats to give your eyes the support they need. Hydration and eye lubrication. This might sound simple, but staying hydrated is key to avoiding dry eyes. When you're dehydrated, your body can't produce enough moisture, which can leave your eyes feeling irritated and dry. Drinking plenty of water and using natural eye lubricants, like saline drops, can keep your eyes well moisturized. Rest and relaxation for your eyes. Your eyes need breaks, especially after long periods of strain. One of the easiest ways to prevent eye fatigue is by getting enough rest and giving your eyes a break from screens. Try closing your eyes for a few minutes throughout the day, or follow the 20-20-20 rule. Another great technique is palming. Rub your hands together to generate heat and gently cover your eyes with your palms for a few minutes. It helps relax your eyes and reduces tension. Safe sunlight exposure. Believe it or not, sunlight is good for your eyes. Just make sure it's indirect. Spending a few minutes outdoors each day, allowing your eyes to take in natural light, can strengthen them. But remember, never look directly at the sun. Instead, enjoy the benefits of natural light by spending time outside in shaded areas. Or try closing your eyes and tilting your face toward the sun for a quick refresh. Now, I know that natural methods don't always work for everyone. Sometimes you need a little extra help. If you've tried these methods and still aren't seeing the results you want, there are medical solutions available. Let's take a look at 5 medical ways to restore your vision. Eye correction surgery, LASIK. First up is LASIK surgery, a popular option for those who want to reduce their dependence on glasses or contacts. This surgery reshapes the cornea, allowing light to properly focus on the retina, which results in clearer vision. LASIK is a quick procedure, and many people experience significant improvements in their vision afterward. Prescription glasses or contacts. Next, if you haven't already, make sure you're using the right prescription for your glasses or contacts. An updated prescription ensures that your eyes aren't working harder than they need to, reducing eye strain and improving vision. Regular eye exams are key to keeping your prescription accurate. Cataract surgery. As we age, cataracts can cloud the lens of the eye, leading to blurry vision. Luckily, cataract surgery is one of the most common and successful procedures for restoring vision. During this surgery, the cloudy lens is replaced with a clear, artificial lens, which can dramatically improve vision. Medication for glaucoma. Glaucoma is another condition that can cause vision loss if not treated early. For those with glaucoma, prescription eye drops or oral medications can help reduce intraocular pressure and prevent further damage to the optic nerve. In more severe cases, surgery may be necessary to prevent vision loss. Corrective lenses for eye floaters. Finally, for those dealing with eye floaters, special lenses or even a procedure called vitrectomy can help. While floaters are usually harmless, they can be annoying if they obstruct your vision. In severe cases, medical intervention can offer relief and improve your vision. So, there you have it. Whether you're trying out natural methods or exploring medical solutions, There are plenty of ways to restore your vision and protect your eyes as you age. Remember, the key is to be consistent. Take care of your eyes now, and they'll take care of you later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first.